Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 9 websites where you can make money by listening to music. So, make sure to watch the full video. Did you know you can make money by listening to music and writing reviews about it? Among the many ways of earning money online, listening to music is one of them. Just by signing up for the websites mentioned in this guide, you can boost your pocket money by a good margin. Why do these websites pay you? Such websites pay users so that they can review the music of new and upcoming singers and songwriters. These websites require feedback from a wide range of people to help musical artists find the direction they need for their songs. What am I supposed to do? Well, it's quite simple actually. You just need to join the websites and create your profile. After the approval of your profile, you can start the work. You're supposed to do 2 things: listening and reviewing. Listen to the songs of new and upcoming artists and write reviews about them. The more you listen, the more money you earn. Music websites that pay. Here's the list of websites that pay you to listen to music and radio. 1. Musicray. Musicray is a platform for singers/songwriters to submit their songs and earn money by listening to music. It's a website that connects artists to talent hunters. These artists pay a certain fee to promote their music and to build a fan base by submitting their songs to the portal and generating followership. Users can sign up as fans to listen to the music of their own choice. These users or fans are then paid by the website to listen to the music of such amateur artists. The recordings are mostly only 30 seconds long. Musicray pays its users through PayPal only. They pay their users 10 cents per song. The minimum threshold for a payout is $20. 2. Playlist Push. How cool would it be if you could listen to songs and get paid for reviewing them? Playlist Push lets you do exactly that. The idea behind the platform is to support indie artists and singers and help talented singers reach the top level. If you think you have a taste for music and are good at writing reviews, then this website is for you. To qualify for the Curator program, you have to be the owner of a playlist on either Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music. You should also have a considerable number of followers, otherwise, your application might get rejected. Playlist Push offers a great pay rate. For each song you review, you will earn $12 payments are sent directly to your bank account. 3. Current Datas. Current Datas is an Android or iOS-based mobile app that pays you around $600 per year for playing music on your mobile phone. It's one of the most rewarding apps if you want to generate passive income by listening to songs. You can earn while you're working at the office, doing jogging, or even while you're commuting. Basically, you earn money by earning points for being active on the app. The more you tap on the music or other features of the app, the more money you will make. They keep on adding more and more options to earn, so it will only keep getting better. You can spend your points by redeeming gift cards, recording music for offline usage, or cashing out using PayPal. 4. Radio Earn. Radio Earn is a great website if you want to earn passive income by listening to the radio. You start by signing up for a profile, and once you're done, you can start listening and earning. If you're a webmaster, you can integrate the radio on your website for other users to listen to. This option will also make passive money for you. You will earn points after every 15 minutes. Those points are then converted to US dollars. Payments are made every month with PayPal. 5. Research.fm. Research.fm is a music research company that pays you to provide feedback for radio stations on what kind of music to play. The company basically asks its users to fill out a survey via email. The users then have to listen to a sample of music and fill out the survey. You can redeem your earnings by getting an Amazon gift card. 6. Hit Predictor. Hit Predictor is another great music research company that pre-tests songs before airing them. They pay users to listen to music and share their feedback about it. Users simply have to sign up and choose their type of music, listen to the sample of music provided, and rate it. The company rewards users with points. For every song you rate, you get 3 points, which is equal to $1. Once you collect enough points, you can exchange them for Amazon gift cards and prizes. Users can also earn by rating artists. 7. Cash 4 Minutes. Cash 4 Minutes is a website that pays its users to call and listen to the radio. The users create their accounts and fill out their contact information, including their landline number. After completing your profile, you receive emails with corresponding tasks to carry out. Users have the option to listen to any radio station that's available at the time. Cash 4 Minutes pays its listeners roughly $0.08 per minute. Payments are made through PayPal, Bitcoin, Litecoin, or you can redeem your money through Amazon gift cards. 8. Earnably. Earnably is a pay-to-do site that rewards its users to complete different tasks. Users have to complete tasks for which they earn points. Each task gives you different points for completing it. These tasks range from taking surveys, watching advertisement/music videos, or listening to the radio. Earnably pays its users through PayPal, Bitcoin, and Amazon gift cards. The minimum withdrawal limit is $2, which is equal to 225 points. 9. Collect.fm. Collect.fm is a Netherlands-based startup that connected music creators and brands with curators from all over the world. As a curator, you can join Collect and be a part of the expert community. As a curator, you will be working directly with brands and give feedback on their music/songs. They will also expect you to give recommendations and provide your expert opinions. Collect expects the curators to have suitable industry experience. If you don't have a proven track record, then this opportunity is not for you. We will keep adding more websites and apps to the list as we find them. Meanwhile, you can learn how to make money writing songs and lyrics. Hope you liked the video. Make sure to hit the like button and click the bell icon for more updates. If you are new to my channel, hit subscribe button.